Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple fresher position opened in American Express. Let's discuss about the requirement process and the job details. This is like American Express official career page. So this location like they mentioned Gurugram and this position is for software engineer. Let's go through the job description. So this job is for like supporting the delivery and operation of technology capabilities platforms and service globally. Especially like the team is responsible for company technology engineering, architecture and infrastructure for providing like 24 by 7 support to ensure any uninterruption and high quality experience for external customers and internal colleagues. Let's like go through the responsibility for this position. So they mention like the candidate needs to develop and maintain the software application and write the clean, effective, well documented code, complete like code review and automated testing with the guidance from the peers and leaders, debugging like basic software components, identify the code defects for remediation. And also like they mentioned the candidate need to support and monitor the software across test, integration and production environment and also collaborates with the co-creates effective with the team in product and the business to align technology initiatives with the business objectives. Let's like discuss about the qualification. So what is the qualification required for this position? They mention like qualification is required bachelor degree in computer science and computer engineering and comparable experience. So and also like they mention the candidate is required for knowledge like Python, GCP, distributed multi-tiered system algorithm, NoSQL that is MongoDB and relational database. And also like basic like knowledge of the core tools using planning, analyzing and crafting, building, testing and configuring and maintaining the assigned application. So it's a fresher requirement, so no experience is required for this position. And software engineering and developing experience or a related job. So those who are learning from the BTech background, they already aware about the development and the software engineering. There is one topic also there. They have at least basic understanding. Experience in application design, software development, automated testing. So you will learn step by step process while you are joining to the this fresher in the corporate company. And also they mentioned experience in agile software development methodology. So this while we are coming through a BTech background, at least we have idea about agile model, we have idea. So the real time example while you are joining to the company, you will get some more idea. So they mention like participate such as Scrum and Kanban and iteration user stories. So while you are assigned to a task, you will get one iteration. So through iteration, you will assign some task so that you have to do that one. And also like they will support you like for building the source code, analyzing, building and configuring, maintaining the application. So it will you will get more idea while you are joining to the corporate. Experience in automation testing and documentation. So you will learn also automatic testing, how you will do the automation testing and documentation while you are developing any particular project. So you will maintain the documentation of that one. Let's like these are some like basic understanding like about the company details. Kindly go through this one, you will get like more details about the particular company. So here like they mention like providing flexibility, you will need to try personally and professionally, like competitive base salaries, bonus incentive also they will provide you, support for financial well-being and retirement, comprehensive medical, dental and vision life insurance also company will provide you. And here also they are providing you paid parental like leave policies also company have that one. Free access to global on-site wellness center staffed with the nurses and doctors. So you will like it depends on the company policy. You will like if you have any health issue or something, you will get the appointment from the doctor freely. And also they mention like support through our healthy mind program also they are conducting that one, which is helpful for the employee to grow. And also like some mental activity also you will enhance your knowledge and also free of your mind. Company also take care about that one. Career development and training opportunity you will get more from the company. As you know like American Express is a best MNC company, so you will get more like comfortable and also more opportunity from their company. So job info also they mentioned here. Job identification, that ID also they mentioned. Job category, while you are applying you have to choose technology. Posting date, this one like they posted today only 11:58 a.m. Guys, just go through this link and apply for this position. And they mention the end date, so when it will be end. So 16th of July is the last date. Before that you have to fill that one. Degree level required bachelor degree. Job schedule like full time, it's a full time opportunity guys, so don't miss this opportunity. Just go and apply for this position and prepare for your interview. And it's a daytime, so no need to work in like a night or mid noon. So it's a daytime activity, so it's a best like kindly go through this one. Location they mention like Tahsil, Haripur, Gurugram. So you have the posting location is like Gurugram. So you have to, once you got the offer letter from the company, you have to visit that place for the joining. Career area is a technology, so you have to explore and you will get more opportunity while you enter to the company. I hope like those details I explained this video, it is helpful for you guys. If you have any like query or concern, kindly ping in the comment box. So once I'm available, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much. Like those who are watching my video, if you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. So it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.